Imagine a world where tiny particles, invisible to the naked eye, could revolutionize our approach to pollution cleanup. That's the promise of nanotechnology. The nanoscale, materials behave in ways that are completely different from their larger counterparts. This opens up a realm of possibilities, especially when it comes to tackling environmental challenges. Let's start with the basics. Nanoparticles are typically between 1 and 100 nanometers in size. To put that in perspective, a single human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. These minuscule particles have unique properties, like increased reactivity and enhanced surface area, that make them incredibly effective for cleaning up pollutants. One of the most exciting applications of nanotechnology is in the remediation of heavy metals in contaminated water. Traditional methods can be slow and costly, but researchers have developed nanoscale materials such as zero-valent iron nanoparticles that can effectively remove toxic metals like lead and mercury from water. These nanoparticles can bind to the contaminants, transforming them into harmless substances. Imagine a process that not only cleans our water but does so quickly and efficiently. But it doesn't stop there. Nanotechnology is also making waves in air purification. Researchers are creating nanomaterials that can capture and neutralize airborne pollutants. For instance, titanium dioxide nanoparticles can break down harmful organic compounds when exposed to UV light. This means that we could potentially have air filters that not only trap pollutants but also actively destroy them, leading to cleaner, healthier air. And let's talk about oil spills. They're a nightmare for marine ecosystems. However, scientists are exploring the use of nanomaterials to absorb and break down oil. Nanofibers and nanostructured materials can soak up oil like a sponge, while also facilitating the degradation of the hydrocarbons into less harmful substances. This could drastically reduce the environmental impact of spills and speed up the recovery of affected areas. Now, you might be wondering about the safety of these nanomaterials. It's a valid concern. As we harness the power of nanotechnology, researchers are also investigating the potential risks. Understanding how these tiny particles interact with the environment and living organisms is crucial. We need to ensure that while we're cleaning up pollution, we're not inadvertently creating new problems. The potential of nanotechnology in pollution cleanup is immense, but it's not just about the science. It's about the future we want to create. Imagine cities where the air is clean, the water is pure, and the land is free from toxic waste. This isn't just a dream, it's a possibility within our reach. By investing in research and development, we can harness the power of nanotechnology to tackle some of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. So, as we look to the future, let's embrace the potential of these tiny particles. They might be small, but their impact could be monumental. With innovation and responsibility, we can pave the way for a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come.